बोलिए सर.
Hi, this is Gautam from Indranagar store. We are giving Saramonic mic to Kapil.
And
We are
live
checking we are with Pranay.
I need the mic, but unfortunately the sound is not optimum.
Okay, ready, start.
So I need this Saramonic mic, and I'm going back to Delhi on Monday. But before that, Salim is helping me to set up the decibel levels, and this is the final test before the make and break deal. है ना?
Yeah,
Cool? Done?
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, so now we are testing Saramonic mic inside the studio. A lot of echo is there, that is understandable, but now this is on a 0 dB. Let's check the sound outcome on this one, and after that we'll shoot on a plus 20 dB. And before that, I'll just want to let you know the distance is almost nearly 6 feet from the camera and from me, the subject.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so this is the last test outside of that campus, and the distance between from the subject and the camera mount is almost 6 feet now, and Salim is helping me out with all the conditions, and let's go and check out the sound sample inside. Thanks, Salim.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, now the distance from the subject and from the camera mount is almost 8 to 9 feet. Now we are testing in the same surroundings, echo is there, but the good part is the mic is on now plus 20 dB. Let's go and check out the sound. Before that, I would like to thank you, Salim, so much, because I need this mic and he's helping me out, and it's almost 4 hours I'm here, so it's time to go. Okay.